A big congratulations to all those following Lyriq Media who have received their car or cars, as well as to those who are new here. Lots and lots of thank you emails have been coming in, and we appreciate that you recognize our efforts and wish you the best with your car. For those we haven't received yet, we are here for you. The all-electric crossover from Cadillac, the Lyriq, enters its second model year in 2024 and offers the most recent Ultium EV technology from General Motors in addition to plenty of comfort and elegance. Originally scheduled to begin late last month, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq start of regular production, SORP, has since been delayed according to information obtained by the Lyriq Media team. Hello, and welcome to Lyriq Media. We endeavor to keep you informed of the most recent information and breaking news about the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other upcoming EVs from the Cadillac Corporation. So, if you're a fan or owner of an electric vehicle, this channel is for you. We work as a family, listening to your suggestions in the comments area and providing all of the videos you need to stay current in the EV field. Please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell if you're new here to stay up to speed on our latest content. Thank you kindly. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq's initial launch date was initially scheduled for March 20, 2023, as reported by Lyriq Media back in January. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq's manufacturing date has now been moved back to the 4th of May, according to information obtained by the Lyriq Media team. The GM Spring Hill facility in Tennessee will once again serve as the site of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq's manufacturing. On March 17, 2023, the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq was supposed to go into production for the last time. Cadillac was contacted by our media team for comment about the pushed-back manufacturing schedule. A Cadillac spokeswoman would not confirm the later start date, but did say that Cadillac is on track to begin producing MY24 Lyriqs later this spring. Being an EV writer for a long time, I had to do a little to come up with reasons for the delay. Electric vehicle production dates can be shifted for a variety of reasons. Some common reasons are delays in the supply chain, challenges in battery production, changes in government regulations and policies, and unexpected design issues. Supply chain delays could occur if a supplier is unable to deliver the necessary parts on time. This could result in a delay in the production schedule, with all parties responsible for ensuring smooth supply chains from the manufacturer to the parts supplier. Battery production is another factor affecting EV production schedules. Lithium-ion batteries are extensively used in EVs, but their production can be hampered by variations in quality, unexpected shortages in materials where technology is used in production, and other factors that lead to delays. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic caused significant disruptions in the supply chain of raw materials essential for making lithium-ion batteries, causing production lines to halt globally. Government regulations and policies can also affect EV production. Changes in regulations surrounding environmental compliance, safety standards, or tax incentives may require a manufacturer to modify its vehicles before they can go into production, leading to a shift in timelines. Design issues are part of the product development process, and it's often challenging to anticipate issues until further along the process. If a carmaker encounters an unanticipated issue during the prototyping stage, it might have to delay the production cycle until the necessary changes are made. In conclusion, EV production date shifts typically occur due to supply chain issues, battery production difficulties, changes in government regulations, and unexpected design issues. Many factors contribute to these delays, and it is easy to see that being agile and adaptive in the face of these factors is required to manage these risks successfully. The introduction of a new trim level named Tech is one of the highlights of the new 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. With a one aesthetic equipment group, the Cadillac Lyriq Tech trim level replaces the luxury and sport trim levels as the new entry-level trim. The starting price for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq Tech is $58,590, including destination freight charges, DFC, in the USA. Some 2023 Cadillac Lyriq orders have been moved to the 2024 model year, as verified by Cadillac Global Vice President Rory Harvey, as we reported in February. Customers who are impacted will be given a discount for upgrading to a later model year. According to information we shared in March, a Cadillac representative has previously stated that in addition to the Cadillac Lyriq Debut Edition, GM would also build non-Debut Edition Cadillac Lyriq 2023 models, such as Cadillac Lyriq all-wheel drive and Cadillac Lyriq rear-wheel drive versions. In extra news about the Cadillac Lyriq and her ads, Cadillac, the iconic luxury automotive brand, has launched a unique campaign for Ramadan titled Ramadan Cruises, which aims to showcase the tranquility and serenity that define the holy month. The campaign, which is developed by Saatchi and Saatchi, cleverly connects these qualities with Cadillac's first electric vehicle, the all-new Lyriq, highlighting its ability to offer passengers comfortable and peaceful rides amidst the bustling streets of the GC. By showcasing the Lyriq's exceptional features, the campaign underscores Cadillac's unwavering commitment to providing customers with a luxurious and serene driving experience. Three of the most outstanding Arab artists, Nora Zeid, Rex Chuk, and Rafael Makarin, are featured in the campaign. They have collaborated to produce a breathtaking body of work that perfectly captures the urban landscape and energy of the area. This captivating ad features black and white urban environment images by Nora Zeid, candy-colored works of art by Rex Chuk that were inspired by Saudi connections, and comic book-style drawings by Rafael Makarin. According to Akshay Sikand, Cadillac Middle East's head of marketing, we constantly push the envelope and seek out creative ways to engage with our audiences. This ad exemplifies this attitude by enticing viewers with stunning images, telling pertinent local stories, and creating fresh chances to work with regional and local talent. We're committed to building enduring relationships with our Middle Eastern audience. The phrase, "Experience a serene journey," from the campaign's tagline encapsulates the spirit of Ramadan, a month of reflection and inner serenity, while the name Ramadan Cruises calls to mind the brand's comfort and tranquility DNA. Since Lyriq is Cadillac's first ever electric car, it delivers a distinctive experience that enables users to discover comfort and quiet despite the bustle of daily life. Sebastian Baudbel, Chief Creative Officer of Saatchi and Saatchi Dubai, commented on the ad and said, "As a brand that embodies the luxury cruising space, the serenity of Ramadan was the perfect opportunity to flex our creative muscles. The illustrations are inspiring, surreal, and serene, and reflect the brand values and the season through an untapped creative device." The series has already had more than 3.6 million views across Instagram and TikTok, and with more than 160K responses and close to 500 comments. The campaign has drawn a lot of attention from various artists in the area. This is the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as we have come to the end of this video. Lyriq Media covers all Cadillac EV news, so if you are a Cadillac fan, a Cadillac EV owner, or a soon-to-be owner, this is the channel for you. More information about this EV will be coming up soon on this channel too. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and until our next video, adios, amigos.